Okay, so here's our challenge today, 3 plus 3 divided by 3 and 3 plus 3 inside parentheses. A lot of students might be saying, okay, mister, this is the easiest challenge I've ever seen. We have 3 options right here. I can easily solve it because I learned this stuff in the 3rd grade, addition, division, multiplication right here. I can easily solve it. So go ahead and put your answer down into the comment section. Let's check our answers in the end of the video because this is a very tricky challenge. First of all, we have addition, division, multiplication, and addition. And a lot of students might be saying, okay, let's start with addition, for example. And then I ask them, okay, what about order of operation? How can we solve this like that? We should know what is the correct order of operation, because if you start with addition, we have one answer. If you start with division, another answer. And in terms of math, it's really a bad thing to solve this challenge with 2 different answers. We should know what is one and only one correct answer. And for this challenge, we should know what is the correct order of operation, because it's not works only like that in terms of math. For example, in chemistry, in biology, we should know what is the correct definition, correct property. And in terms of math, absolutely the same thing. We should know what is the correct order of operation. For example, let's look at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to PEMDAS order of operation. Parentheses has the highest priority, so first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses. Next we need to evaluate exponents, so for example 3 squares, 3 cube, yeah. Next we should evaluate multiplication, division group, and the last step we need to add or subtract. This is our last step, so we need to do this last step. Okay, so let's rewrite this challenge and let's try to solve this according to PEMDAS order of operation. So what do we have right here? We have 3, we have plus 3 divided by 3, and we have 3 plus 3 inside parentheses. So right now let's scan what elements do we have right here, and we have an order, so we can easily do this. Okay, first of all we have first step parentheses, so parentheses has the highest priority. So right now we should scan where do we have this parentheses. So PEMDAS works like that. You go through the steps from the top to the bottom and you scan first of all parentheses. Okay, let's scan where do we have these parentheses. Yeah, we have parentheses right here, 3 plus 3, so it implied that we should add 3 plus 3. So what do we have right here? 3, we have plus 3 divided by 3, and we multiplied this 3 plus 3 by, so we added, yes, 3 plus 3, we have 6. Okay, so we have times 6. Okay, we do this, we complete this parenthesis step, which is our first step to this challenge. Let's go to the next step. Next step is exponents. So right now we should scan where do we have exponents, like 3 squares, 3 cube. Let's look at it. I don't think involved, we don't have any powers, so we just skip this part. We don't have any exponents. Let's go to the next step. The next step is multiplication and division part, because a lot of students make this mistake. A lot of students think that we should multiply it first, another part of students tell that we should divide it first. This is one common group, so it doesn't matter. We should scan what is the first sign from left to right, because right here multiplication division group we have exactly in this expression. So 3 plus 3 times 3, this is our expression that we need in the second step, and we should scan what is the first sign from left to right. This is how it works. Okay, first sign from left to right, multiplication division group. Yeah, we have multiplication, we have division group, we have division part. Let's scan what do we have right here at first. We have division and we have multiplication. First step from left to right, first sign from left to right is this division. This is second step from left to right, and doesn't matter, multiplication, division, first sign from left to right, we just take the first sign from left to right and we do this. So 3 divided by 3 is our second step. So 3 plus 3 divided by 3 equal to 1, and we have times 6. We have this 6, and we still have this underline right here because we should do our third step. In this case division has the second step, third step multiplication, and the next step we should multiply 1 times 6. We can easily do this. So we have 3 plus 1 times 6 equal to 6 equal to, so we have addition of a last step, so we can easily do this. This is our like fourth step is addition, and we don't have any subtraction. Okay, so 3 plus 6 equal to 9. And a lot of students might be saying, okay, option B, but what about how can we write it? Can we write it as 3 over 3, so as a fraction, because maybe we have another answer. And then I ask them, okay, let's do this. Doesn't matter, let's do this. Okay, so we can write it as 3 plus this 3 divided by 3. Let's write as a fraction. Okay, so 3 over 3. Okay, and next we have parentheses, 3 plus 3. Okay, let's do this, doesn't matter, let's look at it. So 3 over 3, we can easily cancel. This is equal to 1, obviously. Yeah, this is like a fraction, so we can easily cancel 1 right here, 1 right here. So we have 3 plus, right here we have 1 times parentheses, which is equal to 1 times 6, which is equal to 6. So as a result, we have the same 9. So as you can see, doesn't matter, you can also write it like that, but a lot of students might be saying, okay, multiplication first right here, but then I answer them, okay, it's not works like that in terms of math. For example, maybe you have your order of operation in your country, maybe it happens sometimes that you multiply it first, but PEMDAS is the most popular order of operation in the world, so I prefer this explanation, but it happens sometime, maybe some countries multiplying it first, it happens, but this is the most popular order of operation in the world. Also, if you don't trust me, you can easily check this answer in your graphing calculator, and like doesn't matter, whatever calculator you have in your telephone, you can easily check this answer if you don't trust me. But don't use a regular calculator, because sometimes happen that you work those type of calculators work with problem as you type it in. So for example, you type 3 plus 3 and your calculator gives you 6 instantly, because calculator don't know what you have further. We have a division, we have multiplication, and calculator don't know about it. So use something like a graphing calculator, okay, where you can plug in the whole entire problem, okay? So where you can plug in the whole entire problem, and then a calculator is smart enough to know about order of operation. Then a calculator see, okay, I have division, multiplication, I know how can we do this, I have parentheses, so I know order of operation. So I give 99% that your answer will be 9. Okay, this is my explanation to this challenge. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. So with that being said, see you in the next videos. Have a great day and take care.